Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. We did before today run Alpha Master and we just did one trade. So I will now let it run one more time to see if we get some more trades in. Because there was a lot of news and things and then the robot did not want to take trades. You can download this robot also. Make sure you push this link you see up there right now. Or you can just use the link you find below the video. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, put them below the video. Also, make sure you see to the end of the video, because then I will show you all the trades I have done today with this robot, the profit and all this good stuff. But now, let's start up Alpha Master, free binary option robot for you. And there we have it. We did two more trades. For the ones that did see my first video today, we did one trade. Now we did two more. Let me remove this robot again to see. So you can see now we have done three trades. Win rate of 67%. And we have a profit of 111 total for today. So I'm happy with that. You can download this robot also. Just use the robot thing you see up here now. Push it. And you can download this robot, or you find a link below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.